Okay, so the problem here is that the port, the drive port, we put our adapter in, our British thread adapter, and we can't get this hose to move over and be in alignment with that port, because over here, this wall, this little lip of the structure, the superstructure of the machine, is in the way. So there's no way to bend the hose this way and then have it come in to the port. We tried the old fitting, which is like 22-degree kind of thing, but it bumps on the housing bolt for the final drive, that bolts the final drive into the body of the machine. So I can't even twist a 22-degree fitting into this port. So I'm at a loss here. I'm not sure what I can do, because any sort of fitting that I would put into here that would turn to get our angle, to angle it, you know, towards this, isn't going to turn because of the housing bolts. So as far as I can tell, there's not really any way to do this. So any suggestions would be really helpful. Thanks.